Hi, this is a video on the JTWEB Magic Pipe Aluminium Selfie Stick. Now this is a compact selfie stick that looks like a pipe. So just before we look at it, we'll go around the box, and as you can see it has the Magic Pipe Aluminium Selfie Stick. On top here it's Bluetooth, compatible with iOS and Android. A picture of the selfie stick, nothing on that side. On the back it has the product name, the model number, the size, which is 27 by 27 by 106 millimeters in length, made of an aluminium alloy. It weighs 105 grams. It has a battery capacity of 65 milliamps and is stretchable up to 610 milligrams on the millimeters, sorry. And on the back here it has simple instructions how to use it here, written on the back. Nothing on the side, and back to the front. Inside the box we get the selfie stick itself, and as you can see it's just like a pipe. So we have the selfie stick, which is Bluetooth enabled. We have a battery in this selfie stick. You get the instructions and a spare battery. Now the battery is a coin cell battery, and it is a CR1620 battery. So in case you need to replace it after the spare battery and use the spare battery, it's a CR1620 battery coin cell. Now looking over the unit itself, we have a button to operate the Bluetooth and shutter button here with a little, if you could just about see it, with a little LED at the top. At the top of the unit we have the writing, the words JT, I'll try and get that in focus if I can, JTWEB written at the top. We have some grooves cut out here for the grip to pull the extension of this selfie stick. At the bottom here we have a little door which has an arrow showing you how to close it, and a little grip here, and in there where the coin cell battery goes. On the back end there is absolutely nothing. Now I have medium sized hands, and as you can see this unit is probably just under 5 inches long. Now to pair this selfie stick with your phone, all you do is go to the settings on your phone, whether it's Android or iOS, go to the Bluetooth, enable your Bluetooth on. We press the button here. As you press the button, as you can see there's a light. Now you keep your finger down on the button for about at least 5 seconds, and this light will constantly flash quite quickly. And then on your phone, under the Bluetooth settings, you'll see it at the bottom or at the top depending how your phone shows a new Bluetooth connection. Just click on that connection that will come up as JTWEB, and then it will say pair, and then you just press the pair button and then it will connect to your phone. Just as simple as that. Now I'll show you how to extend this selfie stick, at the top here where I said there were grooves cut out, you simply pull up and keep pulling, and as you can see the bar extends out, and there is the top of the selfie stick here. Now on here, I'll try and get it into focus. On here we have a rubber catch here, and a rubber catch at the bottom, and it is simply spring loaded with a very tight spring. And if I put my phone, using my iPhone SE, I'll place that in there, and as you can see it holds my phone no problem. Now it can hold large phones up to the iPhone Pluses and also the Notes, Samsung Notes, so that goes to show it can hold large phones. You can tilt it, so on the side you can tilt, so we have 90 degrees all the way down to 0 to the selfie stick, well, till 90, so we have 90 straight to 180, as you can see. Now this selfie stick does not go into landscape mode, so if you need to put it into landscape mode when holding it, you're going to have to turn it to the side. Sorry, it can go into landscape mode like so, but if you need it to go into portrait mode, you have to turn the stick to the side like so, if you want it into portrait mode. Now this is how it looks when it's fully extended. Now between this point finger here and that point finger here, it is 17 inches, so it extends out to 17 inches long. As you can see, what I showed you before, it can tilt at 90 degrees and at 180 like that. It does not, it shows your phone, it holds your phone in a landscape position, but if you want to go portrait, you're going to have to turn the actual selfie stick that way. The unit up here, the holder, does not turn to a landscape, to a portrait position. It just holds the phone in landscape. So you need to turn it, if you want portrait, you're going to have to turn the actual stick itself to a portrait. One good couple of points about this: the actual stem, extension stem, is in a kind of matte grey purple look to it, very like a gunmetal, then basically like a gunmetal look. And so for guys, this is a perfect selfie stick for guys who may think that some selfie sticks look a bit effeminate for a blog. This is just quite great, and as I said, brilliant on holiday, because when it's folded up it does not look like a selfie stick at all. It just looks like a pipe, that's basically, but that's how it looks. Now I'll put my phone on. I'll put my phone on to show you on the camera mode. Get my phone into camera mode, and now I'm going to use the button here. So I'm going to press the button and it should take a picture of me. There, did you hear that? It took a picture of me. And then now I'll put it into video and you should hear the video sound. And now it's taking a video shot, and to end the shot, and it's ended the shot. So it is quite a nice selfie stick. I say great for men. Basically, it's a man's selfie stick. This is. Women can have it too, because it can fold down very quite small. But guys, if you're looking for a selfie stick and you don't want it too effeminate, you can't go wrong with the JTWEB magic pipe. As I said, all aluminium construction, all of it's aluminium, and it is really, really light. The only drawback which I have with this is that you can't turn the actual phone mount to a portrait position. You have to turn the whole selfie stick itself, but that's the only drawback. And to close it up, I'll come close to the camera. As you can see, you push this down, that closes down into there, as you can see, and then push the whole thing into itself, and that's it. So as I said, for women it's great to put into your bags, your coat pockets, anything like that. It's simple, it's great. For men, jacket pockets, coats, no problem, even in your pocket. It's not bad to place in. Obviously depends on if your jeans are tight or whatever, but it's a great selfie stick and not bad. And I like the all metal construction with only minimum amount of plastic on this selfie stick. Now, as for the button here, as you can see, it's flashing. You do not have to turn off this button. It doesn't turn off by a simple press, because if you press it, it does not turn off. What will happen is, if it knows it's not being used after 10 seconds, it will go into a sleep mode. So if you don't use it for 10 seconds or more, it will go into a sleep mode. After 10 seconds to 30 seconds, it will shut off, so it doesn't waste battery. So I'll repeat that again. After 10 seconds, it will go into a sleep mode. The light will stop flashing, it will go into a sleep mode. So if you want to wake it up, you just simply press the button and it'll wake back up. After 30 seconds, it will shut down completely. So you have to press your finger on it for about at least 5 seconds again to wake it back up again, which I like that. So it's a battery saving mode in there. So anyway, if you like, this is my video on the JT Magic Pipe Aluminium Selfie Stick. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down in the comment section if you've got this particular one, to let people know what it's like. And thanks for watching.